Another shoe on the Guam military buildup dropped Saturday with the announcement that a long-awaited $3 billion multiple award contract had been canceled, or at least put off until the congressional pause on buildup financing has been lifted. Guam Contractors Association President James Martinez.
The MACC, MACC stands for Multiple Awards Construction Contract. It is a contracting mechanism that NAVFAC uses for different task orders under one funding source. And so the term MACC means that the funding source will come from the government of Japan, and inclusive of that would be a list of task orders that would be paid for with Japanese government funding.
Dozens of contractors have been preparing competing proposals for this $3 billion pot of funds. Only 7 were slated to make the final cut, and they in turn would have been competing for the projects ranging from a waterfront headquarters building on Naval Base Guam to utility and site improvement for the Marine Base planned in Finagajan, as well as construction of the APRA Harbor Medical Clinic. The award was slated to be announced by the end of the month. Instead, it's been canceled. And it's not a major surprise, says Martinez, given the prohibition in the 2012 Defense Authorization Bill.
And so when that came out, of course, we were thinking, how does that affect the multiple awards construction contract that is going to be paid for by the government of Japan? And I guess we got our answer today that it was canceled. Again, for contractors that put all their eggs in this realignment basket, it's tough for them.
But in the long run, Martinez still remains optimistic.
We're quite optimistic that this is going to move forward, maybe at a slower pace and maybe at a reduced dollar amount, but I think it will move forward.
Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.